At 5, we've all had butterflies before starting a new job, right? But when the job may mean life or death, the staff at Mount Carmel Medical Center thought it best to banish those butterflies for its newest doctors before the real work begins.
And I have a patient just came up from the ER who's having some trouble breathing. Could you come up and take a look at him, please?
The patient's not real, but the circumstances are.
He's getting some fluids, he's on antibiotics.
At Mount Carmel Medical Center, a dozen new doctors are about to start work as interns. What they learned in medical school will be put to the test.
Go ahead and get your tube here ready for you, okay?
So after a 2-week orientation, they're practicing on both actors and medical mannequins.
So there's a little air leak right there.
Obviously, there is a big jump between medical school and working in a hospital with real patients. And with these mannequins, they can really simulate real life.
Especially when doctors watching from the next room play the voice of dummy patients.
I don't think the meds helped.
Interns say without this practice session, it would be a tougher adjustment.
20.
Definitely would be nervous. Simulation Center gives you a chance to make mistakes and correct them.
After last year's test run of this program, their teacher agrees.
And that comes with better patient care, so we thought this year we have to continue that because the residents, interns felt more confident and they weren't as scared as much as they were in the past.
The interns start working with real patients on July 1st.